Hey team, let's take a look at our push-up row. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3. Benefits of this exercise: full body integration, high metabolic demand, strengthening through the upper body. Let's break that down. Starting position is in our push-up. We're going to perform a push-up. As we do, we then let the arm and the elbow slide right past the ribs, keeping it nice and close to the side of the body. Bring your hand up right below the chest, coming all the way back down onto the ground. What we want to make sure we do is we keep a nice straight line between both shoulders, keep our hips parallel to the ground. Regression and progression strategy here. We can reduce the load just by dropping down onto our knees. So if we're on our toes, we can just drop right down onto our knees and perform the exercise as prescribed. Common faults here: not maintaining your hips parallel to the ground, and the same thing we see in a push-up, too much lumbar flexion or extension. So make sure, as we're doing it, we don't let our hips open up and rotate out. That is your push-up with row.